I'm running Google search ad for e-commerce client in India. Okay, CTR for keywords. CTR means click-through rate for keywords are average, above average. Okay, but landing page experience is below average. I have optimized landing page too. So you need to go somewhere like the Google page speed test, Pingdom, and there's one more. I can't remember. There are tools which will check the website page speed. If your website page speed is slow, then you will get a below average experience. And this is what Google rewards you for. You need to have a really fast page speed because Google is referring traffic from their platform to yours. They don't want somebody to be waiting for a few seconds for the website to load up. It just needs to be instant and lightning fast. So have a look, and especially on the mobile, you need to make sure that your mobile, especially on the Google page speed test, is above 80 or 90.